What is going on, YouTube? It's the Crypto Man here. I have tried to make this video like at least 20 times. I made it 20 different ways as well, and I just like I realized that sometimes it was too advanced, sometimes I didn't give enough. So I'm gonna start it off. We're gonna look at the coin market cap here. We're gonna start it off this way, and I'm gonna try to make this as simple as possible. I had a tough time figuring out, okay, where are most people at? What do most people want to see? You know, what's the best content I can provide? So what I'm going to do is break down Bitcoin, where to trade it, and how to trade it. And I'm going to try to condense it into 10 minutes. So let's take a look at... Okay, let's first start with Binance. There's two parts to day trading. I want to talk about the two parts. There's holding it or hodling it, and then there's actually day trading Bitcoin, Ethereum, Ripple, or any of the other hot coins that are out there right now. So in Binance, we've got a Binance account open here. You know, this is I use Binance for holding altcoins. This is where I stack up my altcoins, and this is where I hold everything. So, for example, to do this, all you need is the basic dashboard. Okay, I do not recommend day trading altcoins here. That is because the hottest altcoins are all listed on BitMEX, and this is the day trader's paradise right here. And I'm going to explain this exchange to you shortly. I just want to show you how to quickly execute a trade using Binance. If you guys already know how to do this, just hold on with me for a sec. Look, this is what it pulls up. You're going to want to find it here. You can search here. So Stellar is XLM, and then you'll just click it right here. Boom. Okay, it pops up here. Don't worry about the left side. Don't worry about the right side. All you need is this box to find the coin you want to buy. Type it in. You'll be using Bitcoin to buy it, so make sure you've got some Bitcoin in your account. If you want to use Ethereum, click there, or Binance coin there. You'll go down to here. You're going to click 100%. This price, as soon as you enter this page, will already pop up here. There's the actual price. Like I said, don't really worry about it. 100%, buy XLM. Boom, succeed, done. That's it. You want to sell it, you'll go 100%, sell XLM, boom, done. Okay, perfect. So it popped up under here. What happened is, we're going to cancel it. I'm selling it too high, so people don't want to pay that. So you want to sell it lower, change it by a couple decimals, then do it. It's almost guaranteed to fill your order every single time. See, it filled it, it's gone. I actually do want to hold some Stellar, so I'll buy it and just kind of keep it going there. Anyway, so now we have some Stellar. That's holding. Then you can just track it on CoinMarketCap, see what's going on. Okay, Stellar's at 45 cents. Great, okay, it's at 90 cents. Go back here and sell it the same way. Anyways, to day trading, two things you'll need. One, you will need TradingView. You can find it here. Just Google. You can go back. Go to Google. Google TradingView if you're familiar with it already. Very easy to use. This is a must. So Google TradingView. Okay, click on the link there. It will move you forward. Type in, because we're going to be day trading Bitcoin, because this is where the money is, XBT/USD. So the first three letters is XBT is tracked as Bitcoin, and USD is versus the US dollar, or reflected in the US dollar. You go ahead and click the top one here, and then you'll want to click interactive chart. The link for this is in the description below if you're not familiar with it. So here we go. No thanks, we don't want to upgrade. Let's make this chart the way it looks when you guys open it up. Boom, boom, and boom. Okay, what you're looking at, let's start with the right side. This is the price in US dollars, the value of Bitcoin in US dollars, which can also be seen right here. Let's just narrow your focus down for a quick sec. The left tab right here all the way down, no need to ever look at this right now. Okay, this is a simple introduction. This part here, no need to look at this either. What you want to see is this part. Okay, the day range, you just want to keep this detail tab open. And don't worry about the headlines either, or anything else on the right, or anything really at the top. Well, some things you'll need, but like let's just focus on the chart here. US dollar value of Bitcoin is here, and the time is on the bottom. Okay, these are called candlesticks. See how they're separated? Hopefully we'll get to see one. They represent a time frame. Each stick represents one time frame. In this case, it happens to be 1 minute, which can be changed up here. See, it says 1 minute. can change it to 3, 5, and so on. Okay, so that time frame ended, so we just started another one. The reason they're called candlesticks is because if you look, you have the actual base and then the wick. But this is the most popular method for tracking the price because you can see what's going on and the kind of buying volume that's happening with this. So the first thing you want to do is go to indicators. Okay, you'll want to type in volume. Okay, this is the one you want right here. This is just the basic volume. This is going to represent how much buying or selling power is taking place in that time frame. So again, they all follow the same time frame. See how it moves? Each bar is connected. Each bar is connected. So here it's going up quite a bit, but there's not a whole lot of buying volume. So like one good example is when you see a large dip. Dip refers to the price going down, typically significantly. Look at the volume that kicked in here. Okay, so typically when you see that, you're gonna have somewhat of a green run afterwards. But keep in mind that day trading is all finding patterns. We don't really care about what's happening in the world. We care about technical analysis, which is the use of special tools that are called indicators and oscillators that help us track the movements of price. Volume is an indicator itself. So just things like that. See how easy that is? I mean, this tells you what's going on. If we get a candlestick here and we get a volume that's through the roof, that's telling us that something's there's a lot of money coming in and the asset's probably going to continue to rise considerably. But when you day trade, you don't just go based off of one piece of information. It's multiple pieces of information that are all tied together on top of using patterns. That is literally the bit breakdown of day trading. If I could explain it to anybody, I would tell them it's the use of 5 different pieces of information, and if they all equal the same outcome, i.e. buy or sell, this is how you day trade. And you tie that in with patterns, and this is how you increase your profit rate, your profit percentage that you're going to make a profitable trade. So I mean, like, start finding patterns if you guys want to start to learn how to trade. Look, like, this is a pattern. It's literally, this is a pattern. I know this is going to be a silly example. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's a pattern. Okay, you get what, 1, 2, 3, 4 bars, and then a 2-bar pullback, and then 2 bars. This one doesn't really go for it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 bars, a little bit of a pullback, same thing. You can kind of generally see where the price is going. Okay, they also create, like, I like to call them flags if you think about it, because if you think about this going up, coming down, and then across, they're like flags, right? So you can kind of see what's going on. That's just what I started calling it. It's a little bit weird, but anyways. So start getting used to patterns. You want to see, where the overall price is moving. We'll get into, maybe we'll get, oh no, we'll do that next video. So candlesticks track the overall price movement in time, and that's part of TradingView. So get up on here, get familiar with that. I'll make videos on actually how to trade, on how to actually, read indicators to trade. Get signed up on BitMEX. Okay, I know it's complicated when you look at it, but pretty easy. Be careful trading on here, because if you're not sure what the heck you're doing, you're gonna lose your shirt. So BitMEX is the Bitcoin mercantile exchange that allows you to leverage your money, which is called trading on margin. Okay, so this is margin trading. You're not using your money. Well, it's a form of it at least. So what happens is, this leverage bar is why BitMEX became famous, because of this. So if you put $1 into the exchange and you want to buy Bitcoin, $1 worth of it here, because we all know we could buy fractions of it, you can click 100 times your money, and it's like putting $100 in. Now it gets really complicated, so check out my BitMEX tutorial on how this actually works, but these are the 2 things you need: BitMEX and TradingView. Also figure out if you're going to be a hodler or a day trader, because they're totally different. And keep in mind, on BitMEX you can day trade these altcoins too. Okay, so there's the basics for day trading. Start to learn the patterns. Set some rules for yourself too. You want to get some discipline. We just crossed the 10-minute mark in the video, so it's not too bad. Imagine trying to cram years and years of knowledge and stuff into one video. It's not that easy. But one thing that's really important is discipline, guys. If you, like for me, I set a 50 trade per day rule. I'll place 50 trades. If I have 47 trades where I make $800 on each trade, and then I get to 50 trades and I'm like, man, this is such a fire day, like I need to keep trading because, you know, the market's hot, keep going. The answer is no. Okay, I close my laptop, I put everything away. You know, I go make lunch or dinner or whatever it is, relax, go to the movies with my girlfriend and chill out. Because you need to be disciplined when you trade. Otherwise, you'll find excuses to make stupid trades. Okay, so, you know, it's very important to stay disciplined. If you listen to me from the beginning, it will save you a lot of money, because if you don't, you're going to learn it the hard way, and eventually you're going to become a disciplined trader anyways if this is where you want to have success in life. We have a unique opportunity in front of us that Bitcoin is a thing and is very popular and gaining more attention, and the same with altcoins. So take this opportunity, learn how to trade properly, find some YouTuber that you connect with and that's actually giving you good content on how to make money. Okay, because you can have multiple sources of income from Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, and that's part of this generation. This cryptocurrency movement is phenomenal, and we can capitalize on it. Just remember to be safe, and you know, eventually we're gonna have to start paying taxes, which has never bothered me, because if you're paying tax, it means you're making money, and if you're making money, it's a good day. So don't really care if I have to pay tax, so government can bring it on. But anyways, just be safe, and you know, find someone that you connect with that's giving you good content so you guys can learn how to make money too. It's just better if everyone knows, you know, what they're doing and they feel more safe. So anyways, guys, if you don't know, I reply to all my comments, so go ahead and leave a comment. I will answer your question. Videos are starting to get 200 to 400, even 500 comments sometimes, so it might take me a while, but I respond to them all and occasionally do big giveaways. So stay tuned, and thanks for watching, guys.